There are a number of capital improvement projects happening at King County's West Point Treatment Plant. These projects protect ratepayer investments through improving system reliability, protecting worker and public safety and the environment, and increasing efficiency. One recent capital improvement has been an upgrade to existing underground water reservoirs that serve the treatment plant, Discovery Park's South Beach, and the West Point Lighthouse. We recently finished upgrading these reservoirs to ensure safe and efficient access for required annual inspections.
Restoring natural areas after construction is an important part of county work. When construction impacts sensitive areas and landscapes, we plan in advance to restore the project site before the project is complete.
In 2019, our project team hosted an open house to share information about the reservoir modification and to hear from the community.
King County worked closely with Seattle Parks and Recreation, developing a restoration plan that blended the site into the natural environment and supported the park's wildlife. We selected a variety of native trees and shrubs to enhance bird and wildlife habitat.
While we had to remove trees to complete the project, we replanted 2 trees for every 1 removed as part of our commitment to restoring and improving habitat. As soon as possible after the work was complete, our crews, coordinating with Seattle Parks and Recreation, successfully planted more than 50 Douglas Fir and Garry Oak trees. We also restored work areas by replanting native prairie plant and shrub species. Moving forward, King County will be controlling weeds and watering native plantings to maintain a flourishing habitat and landscape. King County protects water quality and public health in the central Puget Sound region by providing high quality and effective treatment to wastewater collected from our local sewer agencies. King County's West Point Treatment Plant, located next to Discovery Park, is one of 3 large treatment plants in our system. The plant serves more than 700,000 people and treats around 100 million gallons of sewage and stormwater every day from Seattle and its northern suburbs. We invite you to go online to visit the West Point Treatment Plant's current projects to learn more about capital improvement projects and sign up for our email list. If you would like to read about how King County is protecting people and water sources, visit the Water Reservoir Modifications Project. Please use the contact information below to request printed materials in English or other languages, or for other assistance.